All right, now it is the defense's turn to make its case in the penalty phase of the Boston Marathon bombings trial. Dzhokhar Tsarnaev's lawyers began presenting their case against a death sentence today. WMTW News 8's Paul Merrill joins us now live from Boston to tell us about today's testimony. Paul.
Well, during this whole trial, the defense has tried to pin the blame more on Djohar's older brother, Tamerlan. But today, some of the defense witnesses admitted to the jury that they did not feel swayed at all by Tamerlan's talk of radical Islam. In fact, his mother-in-law described his behavior as annoying. Judith Russell also told the jury about the changes she saw in her daughter, Catherine, during the young woman's relationship with Tamerlan. The two married after Catherine got pregnant, but her family and friends did not attend the wedding. The defense is arguing that Tamerlan possessed a magnetism that pulled in Catherine and Djokhar. Defense lawyer David Bruck also told jurors, in a family like Djohar's, you turn your back on your older brother and you are no one. Today, the jury heard from an imam who described the way Tamerlan twice interrupted prayer services at a Cambridge mosque, yelling and red-faced in almost a fighting stance. A high school acquaintance told the court how Tamerlan got in the face of another student who questioned his religious and political beliefs, poking a finger into the scared student's chest. During its opening argument, the defense talked about the federal Supermax prison facility in Colorado, where Djokhar will go if he's sentenced to life. Bruck said, "He goes here and he's forgotten. No more spotlight like the death penalty brings. His legal case will be over for good and no martyrdom." The defense will argue that prosecutors haven't told the full story of Djokhar Tsarnaev in the same way the obscene gesture the bomber made into a holding cell camera represented only a few frames from a longer video clip. Bruck told the jury, whether it's a grainy still from a surveillance camera or a young man's life, you have to know the context. And the defense will continue to try to provide that context over the next 2 or 3 weeks. Remember, it takes just one dissenting juror to spare Djokhar Tsarnaev's life. Live in Boston tonight, Paul Merrill, WMTW News 8.